You ever just try and make a 5-minute adjustment on a lawnmower deck, and before you know it, you're rebuilding a drag link at a scrap iron? Yeah, me neither. Never been there. Hello? Well, been at this since 3. So Husqvarna is back in the shop just for its annual tune-up. Had to swap a valve core on that tire over yonder because it delaminated, and didn't take about 5 minutes. Got that done. Check spark plugs. Nothing looks blacked up or carboned. Check the blades. No major dings, so I'm not going to bother sharpening them. I'll just replace them next year. This thing doesn't get too much use. Let me see. Drilled some holes down in the floor pan just so water could drain because it was pooling. And went to adjust the deck because this deck has just always bottomed out on everything. So I tried adjusting, the drag link up here, and well, you saw it. So sheared this sucker clean off right at this cotter pin hole, right in there. And then of course, because I, had so much torque on it, I boogered up the threads on the inside of this. So then I had to dynamite that off, and then I had to recut the threads on the inside of this nut. And then I'm over here remanufacturing this drag link out of this random piece of 3/8 steel that I just had lying around that is, fresh and clean. Machinist, preferred type of stock. And yeah, it's coming along all right. I'm going to I'm replacing this cotter pin, that guy down there, with just some double nutted nuts. And yeah, we're just gonna we'll cinch that down. And this guy I've cut to 7/8, and yeah, that's all perfect. So we're just gonna put the original hardware, back on down here after I clean it up a bit. Put all this back on there, that guy on there, and I don't think I'm drilling a cotter pin hole in there because it didn't have one in there before. And I ain't worried about it. Honestly, I might find my mark in there. Yeah, that's where the old cotter pin was. I'm just going to thread that all the way down there and just put a nut on there, and just put a couple double nuts down on in there, and call that a day. That cotter pin is created some not bueno situation down there. Probably should not be trying to start a damn tap on camera, but cotter pin was the source of the mechanical failure trying to adjust this thing. So rather than put a new cotter pin hole in there for a cotter pin that didn't exist, we'll just put another nut in there with a washer in front of it and call it a day. So yeah, something about Husqvarna mowers, they do not like me. And just like that, we have a new drag link. So that sucker's going to go in yonder Husqvarna, and I'm gonna go inside and eat finally. Good Lord. Is that straight? No, it's not even straight. Who cares? It's a fucking lawnmower. But yeah, so we'll just put some Nature's Loctite on it, which is double nut things and crank on it till the threads stretch. And then take a vice grip to the remaining threads. And we'll get this adjustment done, and I'll try not to snap this time. And this is just because I wanted to lift the deck up a 1/2 inch. Good Lord. And just like that, she's installed on in there, double nutted, as they do. And I actually finally have the deck adjustment I've been looking for. So if you look right there, shit, it's still not quite level. It's the trouble I'm having is this stupid thing fucking bottoms out, so I'm trying to have to crank on that a little bit more. But what I was trying to do is push this thing as far in as I could, because this sucker it bottoms out on everything. This is a terrible mower. So I honestly, finally, I got it to the point now where doesn't bottom out on the lowest setting. But I need to actually adjust these rollers and bring them up some more. But yeah. Long day always gets longer, don't it? Alrighty, so I just moved those guys as far in as I could and then tightened it up so I just had a little bit of slack, and I've got it perfect now. When I try and bring this up, I have just a little bit of resistance. getting it into there. So that's as high as that can go. It's under tension, which probably ain't the best thing for its longevity, but who cares? I'll just make another one. But that's as close to level as we're gonna get that thing. I'm trying to get the front up as high as I can. This thing just does not have a good deck adjustment. So I actually need to move these rollers. I need to move these front ones down to the bottom and these back ones down to the bottom because I don't need this thing getting scalping grass. I need it to actually stay up as high as I can get it. So I'm gonna see if I can knock that out real quick and call it a day. This is I was not planning on filming any of this, but well, you're getting an impromptu video on how to adjust the deck height on a Husqvarna, whatever this is. That one, YTH2454T. It's in the title anyway. Why'd you have to ask? So anywho, let me finish doing that. All right, well, got those wheels adjusted. So now it basically bottoms out on setting 3, which is right where I want. I'm assuming this is centimeters because it's Husqvarna. Definitely ain't inches. So, you know, what's centimeter? That's 10 of those is 4 inches. So that's 3 inches worth of adjustment. So 0 all the way to 3. And it definitely feels like 3 because ain't too much in there. But she's adjusted as good as I'm going to be able to get her. But she bottoms out, you know, right about there. So that should at the very least help with this thing bottoming out all the time. I'm really tempted actually to lower these all. I just put them to setting 3. Those were on setting 1 and those were on setting 3. So they're both on setting 3 now. Really tempted to put both of them on setting 4, but kind of takes a little bit too much out of the adjustment there if I do that. So we're gonna leave it as is, and I'm just gonna stop messing with things before I break any more drag links and have to do metal fabrication the day before Thanksgiving on my day off for work. Lord. Anyway, don't really know what the hell this episode was, but if you want to know how to adjust the you know, the minimum, maximum cut level, you know, all of that shit, that's how you do it. You just break the drag link, then manufacture your own that allows you to do whatever you want with it. But that raises the front up because it basically, that drag link sort of pulls as it goes forward. It pulls the front of the deck up. It's not really designed for that. Additionally, you got these little nubbins back here on either side, and I bottomed both of those out. So the rear end is as high up as it'll go, and the front end is as high up as it'll go. And then I dropped both of these down an inch, maybe a little more. Actually, no, probably a solid 1.5 inches. So yeah, this thing is it's not built for cutting hay, and that's what it's going to eat for the rest of its life. So yeah, guess I'll load this thing back up on the trailer and take it back and just let it suffer again. But it's time for me to suffer the rest of the day. But anyway, I digress. If you like what I'm doing here, consider giving the video a like, comment, tell me if you know a way to adjust the deck on this any better that doesn't involve breaking and remanufacturing drag links. And if you want to see me work on more terrible broken Husqvarna mowers, you got to subscribe, so smash the big gray button over there. Until next time, I'm out.